Oh my God, baby. What is you doing, baby?
I ain't been getting high, not even a little.
So the first part of this video is actually footage from a video that I uploaded in February, so you guys can watch that one if you wish. Okay, so kinky hair is naturally supposed to shrink up or bounce back when you pull it, and mine wasn't doing that, so I knew it was damaged.
All this shit that's coming at me, I wonder who throws it. They can't see the vision, but they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie. I wonder who wrote it. Oh yeah. All day, pray them haters go away. Always hella clowns around and look like Cirque du Soleil. This is not an album either. This is just a throwaways. This is still so cold when it drop. It's gonna be a snow day. I spy with my lead.
So here I'm showing you the products I used. The main product is the Jheri protein treatment. I actually saturate my hair with it.
Same color t-shirt. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Whoa, I spy with my little eye.
Then I add my Shea Moisture Deep Conditioner, which also has in moisture and protein. So the protein is what we need to get back the curls and get back the kinks in our hair to strengthen it, and then we add moisture to get that moisture protein balance so your hair isn't too brittle and hard from the protein.
Just less than 1 minute. Know some young haters like to sway, like to sway. Know some young haters like to sway. Know some young haters like to sway, sway, sway.
So I massage that into my hair and then I cover it with a plastic cap. I did this for 3 consecutive weeks.
I need it right now. Cash in the air, yeah, what goes up gotta come down. I spy with my little eye.
It has now been 2 months and that's what my hair is looking like. On the right you can see how it bounces back, and on the left it literally has no kink. And that was after I added water and gel. It actually came out straight. So I trust that you guys can see the difference. Please thumbs up if you like this video and share it. I'll see y'all at my next upload. Bye.